Hello, everyone. William Fletcher here from authoritypower.com. And today I want to talk about something that most people simply overlook. And it's funny because we're all trying to build a successful business, and we all though know that conversions and sales rely on traffic. But we are spending so much time creating content that we don't promote the content that we create. And content and content marketing have been the buzzwords. It seems like for the last couple years, that has been what everybody is talking about. And let's face it, everybody's talking about creating content. And while yes, it's extremely important and will have a massive impact on your business, we can't forget the promotion aspect of creating content. If we are creating content just to create content, we have to ask ourselves, what are we doing? We're creating this content because we want to deliver real value, right? And if we're delivering real value to our target audience, we want them to consume our content, right? Well, that means we have to promote it. It's that simple. We have to get the word out when we create content. And guys, I don't care where you are in the blogging stage because anybody can go out and share content and be successful with driving traffic. We put so much content on our blog and we wonder why it's not getting traffic. And guys, when you're starting out, people don't know you exist and people can't find you. So when you're starting out, if you want to create content and get people to share it, you need to go find your audience. You need to find out where your audience is and get content in front of them and then send them back to your blog where they'll have more great content to read. So you might say, well, how can I do this? Well, fortunately, there are a number of different ways that you can, and each person is going to have something that fits their personality a little bit better and something that applies to them a little bit better than some of the other methods. So, let's just look at a quick example. So, let's say I created an amazing piece of content on my blog about content marketing. And for the sake of this training, we will call it the ultimate guide to content marketing. And just so you know, this is completely fictional. I don't have that on my blog. So now you can say, great, I wrote this article and now I can go promote it. I'm going to go put it on my Twitter account, my Google Plus account, Facebook, and be done. Well, the problem is if you're just starting out, I bet your Twitter, your Facebook, and your Google Plus account don't have too many followers either. So let's do it the right way now. Let's go find blogs that are covering similar topics and try to get a guest blog spot on it. Write a guest post on a similar topic that you just wrote on your blog. And using this example, you might write a post about how to craft the perfect blog post title. And then in your author bio, you're going to link to your complete guide to content marketing that's on your blog. And like I said, all these ways are going to apply to different people, so that may not be for everybody. And that's just one way to do it. So let's look at another way that you can do it. So now let's say you go out to a forum in your niche, and then in your signature, you have anchor text that says Ultimate Guide to Content Marketing. And it links back to that awesome post that you put on your blog. And then you go out there on the forum and you find other posts similar to the content on your blog, and you just add value to the conversation. And people are going to see your posts, they're going to see the value that you deliver, and then they're going to click on your signature and go back to your site to get that amazing content. Okay, let's say you were good at doing videos, or you want to do some video to spread the word about your blog. So, and now you go out there and you create some videos related to content marketing. Now, in the video, when you record it, you actually want to say, if you want to become a content marketing expert, visit my blog to get the ultimate guide to content marketing. And then in your video description, you include a link to it. Now take the presentation or PowerPoint file that you use to make your video for YouTube and load it to websites like SlideShare. Same technique. Put the link to your ultimate guide or blog post in your presentation. Now, guys, imagine this. Let's say that you have 50 blog posts on your blog right now. And let's say you did one YouTube video, one SlideShare, one guest blog, and one forum post for every single post that you have on your blog. Okay, so we have 50 posts on our blog with 50 videos, 50 SlideShares, 50 guest posts, and 50 forum posts. That gives us 250 pieces of content in total. Now, do you think that would have a massive impact on your blog? Yeah, absolutely. I can almost guarantee you it will. Is that going to do a lot more than passively promoting your content and just sharing it on your own social media accounts? You bet, you bet. You see, guys, this is the kind of stuff that you got to think about. And when you're just starting out, you don't have that audience. So what you have to do is you have to go find that audience and deliver content where they're at. And that will get them back to your blog to see all the hard work that you have put in. And then they will start following you from there. You see, creating content is amazing. It can do a lot for you. But if you're not promoting it, it's just content. It's nothing more than that. So create content on your blog, create content where your audience is, and then bring the two together. For more Authority blog training, visit authoritypowered.com/training.